G'day guys, welcome back. Today we'll be looking at trying to fix this seat on the Civic. It's got a bad rock to it, so we'll try and investigate what's going on and hopefully be able to fix it. So it's pretty simple, just a, what is this, 12mm socket. And these guys come out. It does make it easier if you move the seat right back before you start. Yeah, so as I said, there's two on the front and two on the back. You probably could do this with the seat being in the car, but it'd be heaps harder, and especially if you've never done it before. You're probably best to remove the seats. And then on the rear of the seats, you've got one there and one on the back, and they are covered by these little plastic covers. I think they're meant to have covers on all the sides. Some of them are probably gone, like mine. So yeah, we'll undo these ones and then we'll have a look. So now we've got all the 4 bolts out, the seat can be removed. So usually a good time to clean underneath, because there's an area under that seat which probably has never seen the light of day, and usually find some coins and some other random stuff under there, so we'll have a look. I'll just put this down while I remove it. So as soon as I took the seat out, the outer rail has fallen off, and these two pieces of roller have come out. So these are the only two bits which are a bit tricky to come across. I think they're all in most Hondas of this era, 90s Hondas, but you need 2 of these for each side of this, for each rail, and they just sit in this. They sit in there and roll backwards and forwards like that. This kind of keeps the 2 pieces apart, and then there are bearings which roll along this channel. I'll put a link in the description to the bearings. I think they're 6mm bearings, but you just need 4 of those bearings either side, so I'll show you those as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is put a bit of grease in this channel, and put these 2 guides, one either side of this lump in the middle here, and slide it back into the seat. Can't really do that with one hand, so I'll put this down and get back to you once I've done it. So the 2 rollers sit like that, and then just slide back into the rail. So what you need to do, and it's really hard to record, so I've just done it already, is you put your little ball bearing and you sit it down in between the 2 rails, and then you just get a punch. I think the first 2 are really easy. The second ones you just get a punch and you just tap that in, and the ball will fall in. And then you'll have a rail like this. It's very easy to move backwards and forwards. So you need 4 of these little balls, 2 in this side and 2 that go up from in there. And yeah, if they're hard to get in, you just need to tap them with a punch. Yeah, 6mm is the size of the ball. That's all there is to it. Now we'll just put the seat back in the car and we're done. So now that we've finished putting the bearings and the rollers back in there, you can see that there's minimal movement in that, so we should be good to go and get our roadworthy certificate.